YouTube. Ignore this bunch of wires. I'm just testing and seeing how all these switches work. This is the Lutron Maestro dual dimmer switch. Okay, and there's the box. And what I have is these three low profile LED lights, the halo lights. They're in the ceiling right now. And the four front lights are on a separate cable versus the two back. And I wanted to be able to dim the four front lights separately from the two back. And so I got this just to try to save some space in the box because I wanted to use a third switch for something else. And this was the only one that had a dual rocker with a dual dimmer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. You can see here. Okay, so this is the front lights. I'm going to turn them off. Okay, so you can see it has that kind of soft shut off or delay in the shut off. Here's the back lights. All right, gonna turn them back on. All right, so pretty cool. Here's the dimmer. Do this one. So strangely enough, this one, when I go all the way down, it turns all the way off. This one doesn't turn all the way off. Oh, it does actually. If you hold it down, it will turn all the way off. So I'm gonna dim it back up. So that's full. That's full. It's easy to install. 3 wires. You have your one black power, then the 2 blacks that go to the lights. And that's about it. Now there is a big issue. I don't know if you can hear it. This switch is buzzing. You know what? Let me turn the fan off. 1 second. Now let's see if we can hear this. See, I don't know if you can hear that, but the switch is buzzing. And the one that is buzzing is the 4 front lights. So I turn this off and the buzz goes away. All right. It's not buzzing at all, just with the 2 back LED lights. These are the LED halo lights. So let me show you. These ones right here. So I don't know if it's the switch, if it's the lights. I'm not sure. It works, right? Like the functions work. Does not flicker at all, but it's buzzing on the 4 front lights. I wonder if I put this on, turn this off. See, it's just buzzing on the 4 front lights. So I'm not sure. It's not the wiring. Everything is secure. I know it looks like a big mess, but everything's tight, secure. It's not what I'm going to put into the box, but there is definitely a buzz to it. So what I did was I put on a regular dimmer switch. I put this dimmer switch on, no buzzing. So there definitely is some kind of issue. So at this point, I'm not sure. I'm going to investigate a little more, or I'm just going to probably return it. It's a very expensive switch, like $80. So, and I could only order it on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to order it up and try it. Go ahead. It's a beautiful switch, works amazing. So.